Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Uncle Mad here. Another Sunday in the trenches, so to speak. I'm still buzzing off last night's incredible atmosphere at Geodis Park, Nashville SC, with the amazing late winner Hani Mukhtar penalty to take down Philadelphia Union. 1-0 win for the boys in gold. Puts us just within spitting distance of the top of the table. Cincinnati, 1 point ahead of us, I believe, is the current standings, in the East at least. But, a lot of energy coming off that. I got a lot of motivation, a lot of buzz from the game. Maybe a little buzz from something else. I don't know. But it's another one of those Sundays we're going to be laying around a lot, hanging out, trying to find some things to do before we resume work and go back to normal life on Monday. First thing I got to do today is I got to put the doors and the top back on the Jeep after we removed them the other day, because we might have some storms coming through Nashville at some point today. And I'm also going to do some yard work, my husbandly duties, cut the grass before the rain comes in. Fun Sunday on the docket today. It's our last day with our friends in town here. They haven't been in the videos too much because they didn't go to the soccer match, obviously. But they will be departing tomorrow to return to their various homes around the world. Gonna maybe do some hibachi tonight. I might be cooking said hibachi out on the old Blackstone. Haven't fired that up for a while because it's been winter and then it's been hot and then we haven't had like a good meal for it. But tonight, hibachi. Maybe some other stuff in between. I don't know. It's Sunday. Anything can happen. Light afternoon rain and thunderstorm has come along to disrupt pool time, but it's all nice and sunny over in this direction, so hopefully this blows through pretty quickly and we can get on with the festivities, including stir fry on the Blackstone. Rain, storms continue. It's really a bizarre one. It's one of those ones where, like, you can see it's like sunny and looks relatively pleasant. Like, Jessica's been, I had to run to the store real quick, but Jessica's been like, why can't you cook? It's sunny outside. I'm like, no, it's actually storming. There's like rain and lightning and thunder. It's a weird one today. We're still in a rain delay for cooking, obviously, but gotta grab this at the grocery store maybe by the time I get home. I don't know. We'll have to see. Playing everything by ear today. Just a fun laid back Sunday like we've been doing lately. Alright, little break in the storm. We got some butter melting on the grill. We're gonna make our stir fry, hibachi, whatever you want to call it. Starting with the fried rice. Got this rice that I cooked yesterday, just your basic instant rice. That's down, let it get crisped up a little bit. Curious, I've got this little cover that I put over my Blackstone grill. It kind of makes it a little bit easier to clean. I don't know if it's exactly kosher or popular to be done, but cleaning's a little bit of a... Alright, a little soy sauce, a little stir fry sauce, this here, Bakshan's Japanese barbecue sauce. Get all kinds of flavors going in there. A bit of salt, pepper, garlic mix. Alright, rice goes over to the side here. We're going to cut it down low on that side and just let it kind of slow cook while we start the other items on the other part of the grill. Alright, keep everything basic. Just got your BJ's store brand stir-fried vegetables. Let's throw those down. Let them go first. I'm just going to do the whole bag. Might as well. We're gonna have steak, veggies, rice, shrimp. Steak is down. Shrimp won't take long at all, so that'll be the very last thing we throw on for like maybe 2 minutes. Veggies look pretty good. I'm gonna pull them off, I think. Oh, God. Oh, well, this is good stuff, though. The more the better. Going on the shrimp, the last thing we got, our last little ingredient here. Ooh, it is hot working over this grill. I don't know if you can pick up on what's on my forehead right now, but one bad thing about cooking on the Blackstone, summer, great, cooking outdoors, gets hot. I am sweating like a champ right now. Disgusting, gross, and sweaty, but I think we're gonna have some good food. All right, here is the final product of our hibachi experience here at home tonight. I did not serve myself this much food. Jessica gave me like 75% of her plate. Like, she ate a little bit and was already full before I even could make my plate. So I ended up morphing my plate and combining it with hers. So for the record, I did not serve all this to myself. But I am probably going to eat every last bite of it. So it all evened out in the end. Alright, here we go. Let's see if I can get a good bite that has a little bit of everything. As much as I can get onto one bite. I got a shrimpy there. There's a little bit of a steaky there. Some rice. Some veggie. If I can get a veggie, we'll call it a done deal. Oh no, I lost my veggie. Alright, here we go. Bon apple teas. Homemade hibachi. That's quite good. We did a good job on this one. I say we. It was me. Oh yeah. Good dish. And this is super easy too. Like, I don't know like if it came across in like the part where I was videoing it, but like if you got a Blackstone, you got a griddle. Rice, you cooked it the day before. It really only needs like 5-6 minutes on the grill. Veggies, 5-6 minutes. Steak, 5-6 minutes. Shrimp, like 2. And so you just saute, throw out. Saute, throw out. Super easy, super delicious, super tasty. Dinner turned out pretty good. The footy not so much. U.S. just lost the Gold Cup final to Mexico 2-1. Really, really poor performance. I mean, I think people were like getting ahead of themselves, being like, "Oh, USA has bounced back in the Gold Cup tournament." They kind of looked like crap in pretty much every game. Struggled to beat Guatemala. Needed penalties to beat Panama or whoever it was a couple rounds ago, and then Mexico played them off the park today. Just embarrassing show. Like, we scored off a set piece, and I think we only had one more shot on target beyond that the rest of the match. There's one point in time where we made some substitutions in the second half, and the players were literally looking at the bench like, what are we doing? Who's playing where? And like, they had no idea what they were doing. I think this Pochettino thing's a disaster. I think bringing him in was one of the biggest mistakes U.S. soccer could have possibly made, because no experience at the international level, no, understanding of what has worked for U.S. soccer in the past. which is not, playing out of the back. Great tactical tiki-taka soccer. Being grinders, being hard-nosed, having that dog in you, so to speak, which I hate to say, but it's true. Clearly he's already, butted heads with players, the situation Pulisic, Can't imagine we're going to make a change between now and the World Cup next summer, but I'm not a fan of the Pochettino experiment. All right, winding down here on Sunday night with the final task of every Sunday night. Rolling of the, oh God, I'm not left-handed. Ceremonial rolling of the trash can up the yard driveway so that the trash can be picked up in the morning. Arguably the most important task we do each and every week, because there is no worse feeling than when you're lying in bed, peacefully starting to wake up and rise on a Monday morning, and you hear the dump truck going down the street, and you realize you didn't put the trash can out, and that you're going to have a loaded up can the next week. Oh, fire department's out. Something's happening. Thanks for watching another random fun Sunday. It's been a fun little weekend here with my friends in town. They're all heading back to their various corners of the world tomorrow, so shout out to them. I'm glad we got to spend a extended little weekend with them, but the real fun begins tomorrow. Tomorrow, July 7th, 2025, we kick off one of the best weeks of the year. I think Jessica's favorite week of the year, probably. Nashville Burger Week. A week of delicious, discounted burger specialties around this great city. Can't wait to get it started. Can't wait to see what they have on the menu at all the places we're going to be going. It's going to be fun. Not sure how I'm going to document this. I always kind of go back and forth on how to document the Burger Week, Taco Week, Hot Chicken Week, stuff like that. Either daily videos or compilations or shorts. I don't know exactly how I'm going to present it, but there will be content coming here on the channel, so make sure you're subscribed. Turn the bell on for notifications so you never miss any updates. Whew. That was a workout in that old trash can up the driveway. Have a great weekend. Oh, the weekend's over. Dang. Viva Esperance.